So today I'm going to show you a video of my first aid kit. Now I was tagged by Jack D quite a long time ago. Brother, I'm sorry it took so long to do it, but I'm going to get to it today. And I just want to say that if you want to see a totally awesome, so comprehensive first aid kit, and Jack explaining on how, why he's got these things in there, you got to go check him out. Mine is lame compared to his. So, but here you go, brother. I'm going to reposition this camera and I'll show you what I got.
Okay, so here's what I got. Again, pretty generic. I think this was like $5 in Walmart, but I added a few things to kind of make it my own. So what we got here is you got a little manual. You got some gloves, which is good to keep things sterile. You got a cold compress. Whoa, that went flying. You got some tape. Got some sterile pads. You can make bandages with that. You got a little application tip. Got band-aids, all different sizes. You got some Trimple antibiotic ointment. Some more pads. Antiseptic wipes. And then what I added, okay? I got this tip from our friend Mitchell over at Guns, Knives, and Beer. If you got a cut, you can use this super glue to kind of glue it back together. These came in there with the kit. You can use these to make a splint. If you bust up a finger or a toe or something and tape it up, make yourself a nice splint. Then I have in here a couple straight pins and matches, because if you get a splinter and it's really bad and you can't get it out, I do have a tweezers in my Swiss Army knife, but you could sterilize the end of this, the needle, and with a match, and you could try to get it out that way. Just have some Advils, and I have some 81 milligram aspirins. I heard if somebody was in the beginning stages of some angina or something, heart issues, that this could possibly save their lives. So I have that. Then I have some chem pads. This is basically ionized water and alcohol. That's all it is. So this is really great to clean wounds with. Burns a little bit, but if it's really messed up, it's pretty good to have. So the other thing I would have with me, actually my son has it right now, is a tourniquet. You can use a piece of ripped clothing or belt or something like that, but to have a real tourniquet that you could tighten and loosen, because you can't keep those things on constantly. You'll ruin whatever you're trying to fix. So like I said, this is it. Pretty basic, but it's good enough for me and those day trips. Most of the time, it's a splinter, or a little cut that a Band-Aid can handle. But if you do have a headache, it's nice to have some ibuprofen, handy. So that's it with Jack. Sorry, buddy, it took so long, but hopefully you all go out and check out what Jack did, because it's unbelievable. And if you have a mind to, I'm not going to tag anybody specific, but if you have a mind to, let me see what kind of first aid kit you got. So everyone, thanks for watching. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your comments, and I hope you're having a great day. And we'll see you on the next one.